Yeah, hi team. Let us start the session. So let us quickly complete a previous day recap quiz. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, back no? Hmm. NPM install package memo. Hmm. First or last? Hmm. So this one is we need to be discussed. Okay. Total are correct. So A stands for operating system. Node.js runs on a server side. Hmm. Which npm install package name. So here, see here, the question is locally. If it is globally, node install -g. Okay. So where the manifest of Node.js project package.json. Okay. So package log.json also is a part of a project, but it contains. So see here, once you are having the project, right, there are two files, package.json, package log.json. If you observe almost package log.json contain the both information. But here you are having the node modules, right? So package log.json contains that URLs where that node modules are available, that URL. So for example, you can able to copy this URL. Okay, copy, go to the browser. A zip file will be downloaded. Okay, sir, where these files are available in our system? Under the node modules, which are already downloaded and added here. You don't need to worry. But what is the difference? Package.json, package log.json. Package log.json contains the node module specific URLs. Okay, which is mm, but a package, as the name it is suggesting, you should not modify anything. You should not add it. How to add it? Come to package.json. Here you can able to add it. For example, I want some HTTP. Sir, I don't know that one also. No worry. Open the command prompt, type npm install. What is your package name? Okay. That will reference will be added here. That reference URL will be added here. That will be added in the node modules. That will be taken care by the npm node package manager. Clear? Hmm. What are the three activities of node npm install? What it will do? npm install. First, it will add in the package.json. Next, it will add the node modules in the package log.json. Next, that specific node modules will be added in the node modules folder. Take that point. npm install package name. What it will do? Three activities it will do. Three activities it will do. First, it will add the dependency, nothing but your package name. Dependency, nothing but your package name. Package name in where package.json file. Okay, next it will add the dependency. It will be add in the package.json. Next, what it will do, it will add the node module reference for that package in package hyphen lock.json. But as the name saying about, it is lock file. Still, if you want, you can modify, but nobody will not modify. Okay, it's not non-modified. It can be modified, but if you modify, you don't know, right? Okay, next, the physical downloaded files will be added in the where node underscore module folder. Clear? Next, let us continue. Okay. So whatever we are going to be complete as a part of the session, please complete that one. Okay. Complete in the sense practice and questions, answers. Okay, done. So let us see what we are going to be discuss as a part of next 30 minutes. Let us quickly rewind and then we will start practical. Okay. So we are going to be learn about working with Node.js, how Node.js used in the PayPal key concepts. Okay. See here. So our Node.js is single thread or multi-thread? Single thread. Single thread means only once. For example, one request it will be go. It will send a response. Other request will not be wait. Okay. So difference between single thread and multi-thread. You are having single thread as well as multi-thread. You have the Java, right? Java.NET. That is called multi-thread. Multi-thread is nothing but so a shop is there where you are having the requirements at a time. All the people will be go. Okay. So one by one or one after, everybody will be go there. Whoever is near to that guy, they will be take. Okay. So that is nothing but all threads will be go at a time. So that one guy will take, other will be pushed to take. So all are in the waited state. As a part of my single thread, one request will be go. Take the item, come out. Second person will be go. Take the item, come out. Okay. Third person will be go. It will take the item, they will be come out. Clear? Single thread and multi-thread. Okay. So see here. So single thread model. Node.js is the event driven. Incoming requests are handled by the single thread instead of the multi-thread. So incoming requests are received and placed in the queue called event queue. Okay, event loop check for any request placed in the event queue and process it. No requests are present. Then if waits for any incoming request. See, users are there. A, B, C, D, and more 10 users are there. Okay, all these are nothing but event. It will be go one, 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 one. Okay, one event will be go. See here. So nothing but so these are the guys. So these are the guys are coming together. So now what we are going to be do, once request is coming to the node.js, right? It will take all these are into one by one. For example, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, A. So now A will be go there. A will be serve the request. It will be come out. Next B will be go. So at a time, if you're going like this, right? Whose request will be solved first? We don't know. Okay. So that's what single thread one event will be go complete and come out. Clear? So next, event loop. Event loop is nothing but this is the one. For example, one person will become inside of it. So event loop is nothing but up to his event is completed, he will be inside of that event. One person is come. Okay. So now, for example, take it as a bank. 10 members are coming. One will be go. Remaining all are sit. Okay. They will be called one by one. Or in the queue also. One person will be go. His request to be withdraw the money or draw money or new account, whatever it is. Okay. He will be serve the request within that. He will be serve the request. Clear? Next. So synchronous versus asynchronous. Okay. So an egg contains 15 minutes to boil, 10 eggs taken 15 minutes. Okay. 20 minutes per particularly and not 150 minutes. So asynchronous nature is achieved using the non-blocking code. Okay. For example, synchronous, asynchronous, they are giving the example of egg. Together, if you're boiling, right, 15 eggs, 10 minutes. 10 minutes is enough for all the eggs, or else 1 or 2 minutes extra. For example, if you have the 15 eggs, each egg is the 10 minutes. If you put one, how much egg? 10. Second, 10 plus 10, 20. So if I want synchronous, asynchronous means this concept is common in any technology, synchronous and asynchronous. Okay, nothing but if you are boiling at a time is called asynchronous, boiling one by one is called synchronous. Same here also. For example, you are trying to save the data. Okay, and trying to fetch the data. Two requests will be go. That is nothing but asynchronous. Synchronous in the sense one it will be go, that is complete. Second only it will be go. Okay, one after another only it will be. Okay, so here they given the difference between the multi-thread and single thread. Okay, so these difference you are having the 51. Okay, once session is completed, there you can able to take the notes. Okay, so contains a limited thread pool. A new thread assigned to a different request makes user only one thread. So it is saying about a multiple scheme, right? Okay, so multiple persons has to be serve the request. For example, 10 persons are come at a time. If I have the 10 persons in the bank, request will be solved. But I have the 10 persons. Okay, 10 account counters are there. Okay, 10 members are come to withdraw the money. 10 accounts sections are there. At a time, it will be solved. For example, 5 only there. Okay, 5 members will become next. Next 5 members means one member will be completed out of 5. One can complete fast not. One person will be come and solve the request. Clear? So multi-thread is like that only. Members will be go. As per the rush, they will become. When they come, when they come out, we don't know. It will be come out. Clear? Same like 10 members are coming to withdraw the money. 10 counters I'm having. Okay. Here also request. But these type of the things, how it will in the software you can't see. Okay. This is the functionality. That's it. You can't see anything here. Okay. So 10 members will become 5. 5 requests will be come at a time. Maybe one request can come, two requests come. Now 2 requests are completed. 5 members are waiting. Out of 5, 2 members will be take that position to be complete. Single thread means it is one after another only. If the request exceeded the current request, the request might need to be wait. That's it only. 2 counters I'm having. The 10 members are coming. What the remaining people they have to be wait. We don't have to any. Okay. So it is the incoming request model. It is using the queue. Okay. One after will be serve. Can result in a deadlock or race conditions. Never be deadlock. Deadlock in the sense. Okay. For example, one request is coming. We don't know, right? It will be success or a failure. It is failing. Okay. So there is no guarantee of success or the failure. This is called deadlock. For example, one person is there. Okay, that guy is stuck with that person. That's it. Okay, so here one request will become, that request will be complete and go it. Okay, utilize the more memory. Okay, 10 members are coming together now. I need to be use the more space. Okay, only one person is there, one person is coming, one person is going. In that case, did I require the space? Nothing. Single cabin is enough. 10 members has to be wait now. So these type of the things it will be there. So it is saying about, think just about one banking domain. 5 counters are there, 10 members are coming together. Okay, request we solve, those people will be replaced. Here only one counter, one person will be come and go, one come and go as a part of the queue. So our Node.js is single or multi-thread? Single thread. So now our Node.js are using the PayPal. PayPal is nothing but a, no, PayPal. Bank, where you are going to pay the amount, right? For example, so you are paying the fee. Okay, you are using some cards. So it will be redirected to some account that is called PayPal. PayPal is nothing but a, once your payment is completed, okay, then only other person, multiple at a time it will be go, right? No, it will not go. Okay, so we are using the PayPal system. Okay, so PayPal is nothing but online application. Okay, see here. Okay, PayPal had two development teams, where one team used to write the browser side code, another time is the client side code. Okay, so this is nothing but a one team. Client side people are working, this team is working on the server side. So server is just they given as a Java. When the UX person wanted to sketch some pages, they have to ask Java programmer to some backend. Okay, for example, I'm giving the some work to you. Okay, you are the UI designer, so you are the backend designer. Srinivas is the backend, Harish is the UI. Okay, for example, Harish wants to save the data. If Harish wants to save the data, whom he has to connect it? So Srinivas has to be give the API, then only you can able to save. Otherwise, you can't able to see. No? So this results in hiding the productivity of the developers along the poor performance, because you are waiting for the Java guy because you don't know the Java, right? Okay, so you want to save the data, he has to give the that task, he has to be complete. For example, here task is completed, he want to save the data, again he has to be wait for the developer. Okay, two teams are there, one is the Java team, second one is the UI team. UI team has to be complete, so save or get, then only Java send. So both together is completed. Okay, but always together is completing is possible, no? It's not possible. Okay, for example, your task is the 30 minutes task. For that 30 minutes task, Java is the 2 days task. Okay, you need to wait for 2 days. So what happened? 30 minutes is completed. No? So 2 days you are the free. You are doing nothing because you are waiting for the Java. This is called performance. Productivity is decreasing. Okay, definitely it will decrease the productivity. So they wanted the solution. So here we required some solution in the technology. It will rapid development. Clear my point? So why the Java and .NET compared to the Node.js? Here they are taking this example. PayPal switched to the Node.js from the Java to remove their problems. Okay. So Node.js allowed their developer to write in the code of the JavaScript. So now Harish know the JavaScript, Srinivas know the JavaScript. So Harish task is the 30 minutes, Srinivas is the 2 hours, 2 days task. In this case, you also can collaborate, work with him to complete the task or not, because client side is the JavaScript, server side is the JavaScript. Both are a JavaScript. Then, so here efficiently we can able to develop an application. Here the motive of the point is you can able to develop all the application fastly because you both need a JavaScript. That's it. Okay, here I don't need the Java, I don't need the .NET, because you may say, sir, I don't know the Java. Then what the team can do? Manager, you can sit ideally. Okay, so now you can't able to say JavaScript because sir, I don't know the Node.js. Then check with the Srinivas, you develop JavaScript APIs. Okay, he will add in the project, so productivity will be increased. Okay. So what we have seen, single thread, multi-thread. One person will become, go to the cabin, solve the request. Multi persons will become and solve multiple way. Okay. So PayPal having the problem of paper, not only PayPal, any technology. For example, if I want to develop a rapid application development. So rapid application development. So rapid application, if I want to develop, I need to take it 10 persons. So I know the Java, I know the .NET, I know the JavaScript. Okay. Instead of that one, I will recruit a 3 persons the JavaScript. Either they can develop a client side as well as a server side also. Okay. Clear? So can we go for exam? So what we have discussed, single thread, multi-thread. Tomorrow we'll ask all the questions. Okay, please be ready. Okay, based on this one, we are having the questions. You people has to be answered. Wait. Node.js is why asynchronous? Next, if I want to say which is the extension used to save the files in the Node.js. So Node.js is used for which programming language? JavaScript. Then JS. Huh? Okay. Next, so Node.js is single threaded. So which command used to check the version of the Node.js? Alright, last week you checked, right? Node hyphen double hyphen. Okay, is Node.js server side programming language or client side? Server side. Okay, done. So clear? So that single thread versus multi-thread, you have the presentation access today. You will get the access. So take it and write it. So clear, right? Here, the main focus is to get the developers single technology. Node.js is to recruit the developers of a single technology. If they know the JavaScript, they can develop a client side as well as server side. That is the target of the Node.js. Before the Node.js, if you take the Java, he has to be wait for you. He may say, I don't know the Java. Then what we will do? If I want to learn the Java, 1 year it will take. If I want to learn the .NET, 6 months it will take. But companies will not give the time to be work. Okay. Okay. So now, so two members are worked. So Harish on the front end, Srinivas on the back end Java. So it was deployed. Now Harish went for some leave, sick leave or marriage leave or somebody attendance. So now Srinivas is on the office. So we're having the one issue on the client side. Srinivas is saying, I don't know on the client side. I know the Java one. So now Srinivas is absent. You know the. So now you are getting the server side saving issue. Then productivity will increase or decrease. So for example, in the reverse case, if you both know the JavaScript, then anybody can fix. Okay, because it is a JavaScript issue only, na? So here you are going to be learn about the NPM, okay, and see the summary. So NPM is nothing but a node package manager. Okay, so Node.js providing the okay, what the Node.js is providing? Node.js providing the commands. Okay, what type of commands? Node is providing the command. What is that syntax? NPM only. So Node.js having the commands, that command is nothing but a NPM specific command. If I want to install any package, two ways, either locally or globally. Okay. For example, NPM install -g you are having, na, that is a globally. Globally in the sense? No. For example, this is your mission, right? Locally means you are creating a folder, right? Within that folder, it will be installed. Globally means within the system, it will be installed. Okay. Globally means within the system. Locally means within that project only. Okay. So all these points, already a few points we discussed. Okay. For example, some package you added. How to take or import that package? For example, you added Express. How to import? We imported that package in index.js, right? How to import? In the index.js, we import the express.js, first line. What is that line? Constant. Hmm. Hmm. That's it. If we want to import anything, here the var let a constant, that name is equal to required and the package name. That's it. Okay, see here. So for example, okay, another way, for example, if you are using the npm install -save the package, this add the package name to your package.json. Just now we taken that point. Na? Okay, how to add a, all these points we discussed. Just I'm going through here also. Okay, once you added, that name will become here. npm init you added there, it will become here. Okay, basics of npm in the node.js. If you want to install globally, this is the way. Locally means no need to add it. Okay, most often when global install package, so you would need a root access. Okay, so basically all our projects are no need to add -g. All are specific to the project only. We're mostly going to be add. Okay. That's it. So here they are just explaining about the Node package manager. So Node npm is the command of the Node.js to add libraries to your project. Okay. So in the Java, if I want to add the libraries, in the Java, if I want to add the libraries, any idea? We will add it. How? Our library or the namespace or package. How to add a package? Library is nothing but a package only. How to add? Okay. So there we're having the extension. Right click and you can able to add. Okay. Yeah, tell me answer. Which command used to install a NodeMon in the Node.js? So NodeMon is nothing but a package. How to install a package in the Node.js? Node space I hyphen G or npm space I hyphen G. This is first, this 1 second. Which extent used to save the files in the node.js? Which command used to list all the modules that are installed globally? I want to, for example, we're going to install the globally, but I want to see the list of the modules which are installed globally. Both are having the -g. Here it is the node or npm. I don't know. You people tell me. I will add it. Hmm? Option 2. Option 1. Okay, let us see it. Okay. Which command used to install Express JS in the Node.js? npm IA Express or npm install Express or both? Can't we install with npm install Express? Here answer is required. If I install with second command, hmm? Next, dash command used to execute the code of a demo.js file. Demo is nothing but index.js. If you want to execute index.js, what is that command? Node space index. Here demo.js. Okay. So np globally means this one, always npm extension JS. See here, none. Your option is first one, right? So both are not correct. Okay. So both npm install express. Okay. Both 1 and 2 are npm I express. But if you are installing npm I express, it is worked or not? But in that case, it is both. Okay. They say may also give the sum. But exactly if you want to say I for install, but I install shortcut is the I. Both 1 and 2 can be correct. So node space index.js. Finish. Okay. Sir, what is this? We got one new question. What is that one? Node mon. So which command used to install the node mon in node.js? Okay. So let me stop the solution. So let us rerun our solution. Where is our solution? Here is our solution. Okay, na? So how to run? CMD. First, I want to run the project. Node space index.js. Okay. So which port it is running? Localhost 3000. So 30. 30 is coming means it is working. Okay. So now let me change something here. So 10 comma 25. Now output is 10 comma 25. Output is 35. So let me refresh. Okay. What is output still? 30. So now let me do one thing. So here they are saying about a node mon, and let me add this package. npm I-g node mon. Tell me. npm I-g node mon. Enter. Let me install -g for globally adding the node mon. Okay. So my solution is so see here, added 32 packages in 4 seconds. Okay. So let me rerun. So for example, press up and down arrow. Here you are having up and down arrow. Na? So node space index.js. I mean, instead of you to be typed, just a previous commands, you can able to type up and down arrow, it will become. Okay, let me rerun it. What is the solution? 35. Okay, so let me change 35 to, sorry, 25 to 20. Okay. Is that node mon is installed in this package? Node mon is key. So once you added the node mon, right? The behavior of the node mon is, for example, you modified something here, so automatically it will be reflected. Okay, sir, I'm always pressing node space index.js. For example, in the React.js, which command we are using? npm start. Okay, can we use? Yes, see here. Here, go to the script Already you are having one script now. Comma, add strt start colon. What is that command? Node space index.js. So let me add that one. Node space index.js. Okay, now which command can I run? Instead of the node space index.js, npm start. npm is the node package manager. Here is the start, right? The start is it will become here. Okay, this command will be executed. Okay, see here. Let me run it. npm start. Okay, see here npm start is calling node space index.js. Clear? Are you clear? Any questions? Function f5. What is the output? 30. So let us see it. Basically, it has to become immediately. So how it will be here? So node mon means it will be reflect immediately. That is the purpose of a node mon package. Okay, any changes are coming here already. Node mon is nothing but a mon for the node monitoring. Okay, any changes in the code, it has to be reflect immediately. Instead of we stopping and executing, I will check it. Okay. Okay. So now let us continue with the program. Okay. So basically 50, 51, 52, these three videos are, they will explain about some theoretical. Next, for that one presentation, I explain, so in detail, one more person, I mean, the recorded 5 minutes video is there. They will again explain it, just to go through that video also. Okay. So instead of the node.js, can I use the app.js? Demo.js? Yes. Then node space .js. In the package lock.json, here you need to be mentioned node space app.js. But here main is the index.js. If you want to demo, here also it should be demo.js. Okay, done. Any questions up to now? So now I will ask a question now. If I run npm install, what will happen? npm install package, three activities will be occur. What are those? It will add reference in the package.json. So next, the node modules link will be added in the package lock.json. So the relevant physical files will be added in the node module. Yes, you people tell me now again. Tell me that answer. It will add the reference, nothing to install, only computer can be installed. Okay. Tell me again. If you want to pronounce it, read out. You already taken the notes, right? Read out 2 times. Hmm. 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 So here, every day 51, do it yourself. Here you are having instructions. Go through the instruction. Okay. So every day you need to be complete. DIY means do it yourself. Okay. So here you are having the instruction. Okay. Step 1, step 2. So for example, they're asking a question. You need to be fill that question and upload here. If they're asking the program also, you need to be complete. Okay. So now these are the theoretical sessions now 50, 51. They will give the theoretical questions. So this is the instruction. Here click on here. So 50 also check it. Okay. So what is the NodeJS and what is the NPM? What is the NodeJS? NodeJS is the framework. NodeJS is the JavaScript runtime environment. NodeJS used to develop server side. NodeJS used to develop a web applications, server and client side. Okay. So you need to be complete. So you need to write that lines of a code, whatever you know, points or whatever it is. Upload it. So here it is there in the instructions. Okay. What is NPM? NPM is the node command to install the packages. NPM stands for node package manage. There are two ways to be added, either install locally, install globally. So already once you are referring that slide, there you are having the matter, right? That without seeing it. Without seeing it, you can't able to write. No? So two times write like a dictation. Because if you go for the 10 years of experience also, it will be the same. Okay, no? That's what. So on the top of this one, already we completed this one, right? Okay. So here you are going to be learning about what is the module and key concepts and the summary. So module is nothing but you are adding Express.js, right? That is nothing but a module. So here we'll explain about a module and the types of a modules. Okay. So how many modules you created? You created only one, that is called index.js. That's it. Okay. Sir, I want to be only one module or many modules. Okay. For example, in the Java, you are going to create a, one jar file. That is nothing but a one module. Okay. So here also, if you are creating each and every file, you are creating a app.js, one module, index.js, one module, requirements.js, one module, login.js, one module. So each file is nothing but a module. So node user, so a module is encapsulating unit of a code. Module is nothing but a file which having a code. Encapsulation means, for example, you have the pen or refill inside of the pen. So that is nothing but encapsulation inside of the file. Okay. So module contains the code. Technically, that is called encapsulation. So your application contains three types of module. Core modules. Core module is in the sense. So these are provided by the system. User defined means you are going to be write your own modules. So next, third party. So third party means nowadays, for example, React, it's a third party library. But Node.js is the core part. This Node.js is providing Express.js, that is the core module. So React.js, some third party libraries will be there. Okay, who develop this one? Developer will be developed, they will go for the MIT license. Then you can able to use. Okay. For example, you are typing something, you are having some text box, you want to type India automatically. If you type right I for India, Iceland in the drop down, right? So this is nothing but a third party library where you can able to implement. So three type of modules are there. Java also there are three types of packages. One is Java package. Next, you will create a one package. Third party, somebody will be developed, you can able to add it. Here also same. Okay. So any module, so one module you are having. How to import a module in your application? By using which command? Hmm. Hmm. So same here. So where let a constant that some name, variable name is equal to required and your module name. Okay. So object will now have the necessary functions method used to your application. So from this obj you can able to access the express functions there in the express. Here whatever you want. Clear? Hmm. That's it. So core modules, these are the modules which are inbuilt. So take the definition module. What is a module? So a module is the encapsulation unit of a code. Take the notes. Module. A module is an encapsulation of code. A module is nothing but encapsulation of a code. You know, NodeJS project creating a file itself a module. You are going to create a number of .js files now. What is the file extension of the Node.js? Node.js contain the files, right? What is the extension of the files? .js. We want to put that point. As the days going now, you can be forget. Okay. Import a module in another module or file. So in the Python also. So in the Python also, you are having each file is nothing but a module. How to import? Var r, let r, constant, anything you can able to use. So here obj nothing but that variable name. You can able to say variable name require inside of the braces module name semicolon. Okay. So by using obj, we can access the functions comma variables of that. Instead of the functions you can able to put, we can access the members. In the bracket you can say functions are variables of that module. Clear? So a module is nothing but a module is encapsulation of the code in the Node.js project creating a file itself a module. So how to consume a module? By using var let constant obj is equal to required in the braces module name. By using the obj, we can access the members. So now by today you are clear, right? What is the node? What is the NPM? What is the Express.js? Why we are importing? Why we are importing Express.js? Why we are importing Express.js? Now tell me what is Express.js? Yeah, so Express.js is the module. What is the purpose of Express.js? To create APIs. APIs. So here you can able to write example constant express is equal to require quotation express so here we are imported express module. Done. We imported express module. Clear? You are understanding that line, but the use cases you are forgetting again. For example, if I say module means, so any file is the module. So now if my question is what is Express.js? How, what is Express? Express is a creative file. What is Express? You are using Express, na? Here, what is that Express? Instead of the Express, can I say Krishna? Krishna is also a name, right? Express is a module. You are understanding concept, but using the concept you are forgetting. You are not able to using what is Express here? What is Express? Hmm? See. Okay, here Express is a module. So how to install Express? My question is how to install an Express. Hmm? How to install Express? So which is the installation command of Node.js? Which is the installation command of Node.js? NPM. Rasko. NPM. So how to install Express.js in the Node.js project? My question is how to install NPM in the Node package man in the Node.js project. ఇన్స్టాల్ అని అర్థం కావట్లేదా ఇన్స్టాల్ దేంతో ఏ కమాండ్ వాడతారు అదే చెప్పు npm ఇన్స్టాల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చెప్పు 4 సార్లు బట్ వై యూర్ సేయింగ్ లైక్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఓకే సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్ హియర్ సో బై యూజింగ్ ద రిక్వైర్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఇంపోర్ట్ ఎ మాడ్యూల్ ఓకే సో టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మాడ్యూల్ వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్ types of modules. Take a notes. How many types? 3 types. What are those? Core modules, user defined modules, next third party modules. Okay, so core, user defined, next third party modules. Sir, how to add third party modules or code modules? So core modules means these are the modules are inbuilt model. Core modules are nothing but these are the inbuilt modules. Okay, user defined means user can able to create a modules created by user. Third party in the sense developed by third party, developed by the third party. Okay, so how to add a core modules or third party modules? How to add or install? Which command? npm install your package name. Package name, package is nothing but a module. Remember that point also. Package also nothing but a module. Okay, so there are 2 ways to import. So this is ES5 and this is ES6. Okay. So after completion of this session, you can able to take these notes. Okay. You are having the slides, right? Okay. So main types, for example, they are giving the three main types of a core modules. One is the operating system. Second one is the file system. Next one is the HTTP. Operating system, file system, HTTP. HTTP for creating a APIs. Okay. That's what HTTP module. See here. For example, OS. Okay. OS means operating module. So where OS is equal to required OS, okay, console.log. Sir, these are the core modules, right? Core modules will be installed. You need to be installed or automatically available. Pre-install. Okay. So let us check this one. Where OS is equal to required OS. OS for operating system. So see here os.platform, os.arq. Okay. Can we test? So let me go for the index.js here. So let me constant OS is equal to require OS. Okay. So this OS let me use OS dot OS dot hostname, OS dot platform, OS dot whatever you want. You can so return the operating system platform. Okay. Let us test it. Let me rerun control KC npm start. So it will be called node space index.js. So now node.index.js is what is index.js? Now you set it. Now you set it. Okay. So it is window 32. Okay. So whatever you want as a part of your operating system, you want to get some information. Okay. os.rq. Okay. N names, free names, home directory, host name. Okay. Mission name. Let me check the mission name. Okay. Returns the mission type of the strings which has so and so. Let me check it. Okay. x86 underscore 64. Okay. So this type of information it is provided by whom? By whom? Operating system. So it will return the current architecture of a CPU. Okay. So while you are practicing, check for each and every method and check the okay. Check for each and every method of operating system. Control KC, it will be terminate npm start. Okay. So 64-bit operate 64-bit I'm using the RAM. Okay. So like this. Clear? Okay. Next, file system. Okay. File system is the inbuilt mod. So what is mean by file? See here. File means you are having the text files, right? Node files, whatever it is, Word files you are having. Na? So this file system helps to read the content from the file and write the content into the file also. So let us write data into the file using the core module by using the FS. See here. Here you are creating, importing the file. Next, FS dot write file synchronous app text is my file name. This is the test file. So this text will be right there. So see here. So let me create a folder files. You can able to create a folder or without creating, you can directly create files F5 alias. So inside of the files, let me add test.txt. That is my file name. Okay. So once if I call this one, so let me add some content. How to add a content? First, you need to be, tell me, you need to be, I want to work with a file system. Constant fs is equal to require. So what is the purpose of this line? What is the purpose of line number 4? So we are importing. Require means importing. Okay, importing a file system. Okay, importing and creating a file system and creating a variable. Done. Okay, so please take the notes parallelly. So the step number 1, file system. Take it as a file system. So which system we seen? OS means operating system. Next, FS means file system. Okay, OS means operating system. FS means file system. FS dot read stream or write stream. I just want to be write. Okay, what is that file name? Files slash test dot txt comma. So let me write a hi. Okay. If you want, you can able to write these 2 lines also. But where to be write the second line? Inside of your get call. So if you're writing outside, nothing will happen. Okay, if you're writing outside, nothing will happen. Inside of the get call, then only this code will be done. But sir, it is the app.txt, but here I'm saying the files. Why is the my folder name is the files. Inside of the files, a text text, not a test text, text.txt. Okay, can we test? So let me stop the solution. NPM start. Okay, the property hi is invalid ending the received encoding. Write file. Oh, dot write file sync. Okay. So this means sync means this line is executed, then only it will become to next line. Let me rerun. NPM start. Success. Can we check the content text file? Able to see hi? Okay. So next I want to read the content from the file. How to read the content from the file? Okay, next they're explaining a HTTP model. Okay, I want to read content from the file. How to read? Can you try? Let me say let data is equal to fs dot read file sync. What is that file name? Files slash text dot txt. Okay, instead of successful, let me send the data here. Okay. Can you try for all the methods? If you have any doubt in the method, I will help you. Okay, I'm just adding something. Let's try it. Okay, hi. Because I am there inside of the file. There I can able to read. Clear? So just write file sync, read file sync. That's it. It will be read. I got read. Okay. So take this program. If you press fs dot, you can able to see all the methods. Fs is the file system directory. So read stream, start, write stream, access sync, append file sync. Okay. So dot append file sync. Instead of the write, let me use append file sync. See here. So append means synchronously append the data to a file. For example, file is not exist. Append will be create. File is exist. It will append the data. So already hi is there. Na? I want to add some name. Okay. Can we test? So if you're not able to understand anything, please raise it to me. I will explain immediately. Okay. So let us test it. How many? Two highs. Let me add three. How many? Three. Why so? It is keep on increasing. Huh? In each request, we are calling the API and append file sync, right? So it will append this text to existing text. Okay. Already you are adding a high. Again, you are calling API means again it will be add. Here, write means it will remove the data. It will write. It will override the existing data. Append means it will append content again and are you clear? Why you are using append? What is the difference between append and write? Hmm. Hmm. It will not repeat. It will. For example, I'm calling this API, right? Append file sync means. Hmm. Hmm. So let me use dot write file sync. Okay. So already I'm having the MERN session. Okay. So it will add MERN session space high or only high. What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? So here I write file sync. Okay. I just added a MERN session. So this MERN session, the text will be keep on there or it will remove. Hmm? Then what will be the output? Hmm? Already MERN, I have the text file, some content is there. Now I'm using the write file sync to write something content. Okay, so the previous text will be there or it will remove. NPM start. Hi. Okay, so now let's check that file. Your data got lost. If I'm using append, so MERN session. So now instead of the write file sync, I will use MERN, sorry, append file. So now tell me, so this MERN will be keep on or it will be removed if this high will be added? What you are thinking, that is not a correct answer. So now tell me, why it is repeating? You are seeing the output as repeated. Is that repeated? For example, I'm giving the three 1 rupee coins to you. You have the three 1 rupee coins side by. It is repeating 1 rupee or three 1 rupees. But in case how you can able to see it is repeating high high. So now my question is, I'm using the command. What is that command? Append file sync. Okay. So I'm having the text file. The content will be add after here like this one, or the total content will be replaced like this. Can we test? Write means it will be right. Append means it will add a content to the existing content. So let me press enter. MERN session high. What is the difference between write file sync and append file sync? What you observe? Srinivas, you tell me. What you observed from the write file async and append file async? What is the difference? Hmm. 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 Now you tell me. Hmm. Write file sync means? Write means? So previous data will be removed. Answer cheppu. From where? File. Same code if you want to write in a java.net, 5 to 6 lines of code we need to be write. Okay, in the Node.js single line. So what is the write file sync? Write file sync. What is the purpose? Override the existing data and new data will be added. Okay, append file sync means append the new data with the existing data. Clear? It will append the new data to existing data. Okay, can you try for all the methods? Okay, see here it is English word na. Append means what is the name in the English? Adding to existing. Write means newly creating, just English meaning, nothing else. Fs dot directory means folder. Okay, my folder is the files something. Read stream. Read means I want to read a content. Okay, status, success or fail. Okay, write stream, access sync, append file. Append file means if you want to add another file. Can you try it? Because as the name it is saying, append file means with the existing, you need to add another file. Okay, for all these things, it will take 3 hours. It will be close the file. Okay, so it will take at least 2 to 3 hours. You should be come up with the solution. What happened here and there. Okay, can you try, right? File system. Chestara. So how many hours it will take for today? 7 to 8 hours you need to be work. So 2 3 hours, so you just again create from the scratch. So npm init It will be create a new project. Okay. Then you need to add express, run the project. Next, import the file system. Try for the create the file, append the file, read the file, delete the file, all the operations. For example, sir, I was little confusion. NPM file system. Okay, so here they got explained NPM JS. They have explained everything. Okay, make a directory means creating a directory. MK. Okay, so require FS. So all they are explained. You try one by one, but you will get some issues, questions. Come up with that one where you got a failed. Can you try, right? File system. Chestara. Okay, team. That's it for today. We'll meet tomorrow session.